Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video presentation, I'm going to show how to install a Linux operating system in the Oracle VirtualBox virtual machine. So I have started the Oracle VirtualBox and I'm creating a new virtual machine. Okay, so Linux, it is going to be uh, Lubuntu. Okay, so Linux Lubuntu and yeah, it's of Linux Ubuntu type, or you can even select other Linux. Okay, other Linux 64-bit. Then download the ISO. In any ISO, it can be from Ubuntu or any for example, OT Linux. So it can be any Linux operating system. You can download the ISO file and then attach the file, then finish, then click the start button. So click the try or install. So select the operating system, English USA, okay. Install Ubuntu. Next. Automatically the region and the zone is selected. Okay, next. I go with the default one, the keyboard. Installation mode, full installation, normal installation, or minimal installation. Okay, so we need just a normal installation. So go and select the erase the disk. Next. So give the virtual machine name. Okay, for example, Bahrain. The password 123, something like that. So click the install button and wait for the installation to complete. Okay, the installation is over. I'm going to restart now. Press the enter and the Linux operating system Ubuntu is restarting. So it has restarted. Let me enter the password. So now it has booted. Now this is the Ubuntu Linux operating system. We have successfully installed and we have started the operating system. Okay, so like you can install the guest editions, insert guest edition. Okay, so I'm just searching the terminal. Accessories, okay, then subterminal, so I have found the terminal. So the terminal is in the system tools and Q terminal. Okay, then I have config. Okay, so sudo apt install net tools, then sudo apt update. So these are set of the basic commands which you have to execute once you have installed the operating system. Okay, then sudo apt upgrade. So just wait for some time for the update to finish. Um, then I have upgraded. Now let me go to cd slash media, then cd barin plus cd ebox. Okay, so why we are going navigating into this folder? We want to install the guest edition. Okay, so dot slash vbox vbox Linux vbox Linux additions dot run. Okay, all good and compromise on guest additions, verifying archive integrity 100% MD5. This program must be run with administrator privilege. Okay, so sudo dot slash vbox Linux additions dot run. So the guest edition is getting installed. So the guest edition installation is finished. So sudo reboot, you can reboot the Ubuntu operating system. So let's log in. Now you can make full screen also because we have already installed the guest edition. Okay, so now your Linux platform is ready. Thank you very much.